shaping the future? In 2002, famous director Steven Spielberg produced a film that wasn't just a big Hollywood blockbuster. It also had an important message about the future and how technology might have an effect on us. He used lots of possible future technologies that have actually come true since the film played in cinemas. Surprisingly, the film was so accurate that it has appeared in lots of articles that examine just how correct it was. The film was Minority Report. In particular, Minority Report predicted that we would stop using marketing techniques like posters, magazine adverts, and simple television ads and start using things like personalized adverts. Steven Spielberg even went further by presenting new future technologies such as driverless cars, hands-free devices for computers, and facial scanners that advertisers could use in marketing to identify people. But how did Spielberg manage to guess that so many of these things would one day be real? Amazingly, in 1999, before he started filming, he gathered a group of 15 experts to discuss what life and technology might be like in 2054, the year that the film is set. This meeting, called the Think Tank Summit, lasted for 3 days and included a group of architects, scientists, computer programmers, business leaders, and advertisers. Spielberg asked each of them to think of ideas that would make his film seem as real as possible, and the things that they came up with were amazing. He also decided to use real-life stories and actual logos to make his world believable. Even though experts helped Spielberg create his future world, a lot of the ideas came from the director himself. As Spielberg told film critic Roger Ebert in 2002, "I want all the toys to come true someday." It looks like Spielberg got his wish in many ways, although you have to wonder. Back then, did he really expect that his ideas would come true?